Welcome to Art Smart with me, Teacher Precious! Kamusta kayo? Ayan, so for today, we're gonna learn about rhythm and movement. So, pag sinabing rhythm, yan. So, it means the relationship between elements that creates a sense of harmony. So, it can be seen in patterns, colors, and shapes. So, kung nga rin nakikita niyo sa picture na to, may nauulit, di ba? So, ang movement naman, ito yung the path the viewer's eye takes through the work of art, di ba? So, pag sinabing movement sa art, ito yung pag yung drawing nyo, parang gumagalaw. Or, yung pagkakalagay nyo ng mga elements sa drawing nyo, parang pinapasunod nyo yung mata dun sa direksyon na yun. Parang dito, nakikita nyo yung tuldok-tuldok. Okay, so now we'll try to do some exercises and I'll show you more examples para mas maintindihan nyo. So, get your pencil, scratch paper muna tayo. We'll study first. Practice tayo, ha? So, dito, maraming nalilito sa rhythm and pattern. Okay? So, ito kasi yung pattern. Papakita ko muna, ha? Pag sinabing pattern, when you say pattern, okay, an element is being repeated consistently, paulit-ulit. Halimbawa, circle. Circle tayo para madali. Yan. Alright. Pag sinabing pattern, ayan, eksakto halos yung pag-repeat. When you say pattern, yan, nauulit talaga siya. And it's very predictable. Yan, kagaya nito. Or nito. Very, very predictable. Yan, pwede nyo rin try sketch. Yan. Diba? Ganyan ang pattern. Hindi ko na kasi mapulayan matagal. Pag ginulayan natin isa-isa. Yan. Okay? But when you say rhythm, okay, pag sinabing rhythm, hindi kailangan, nauulit pa rin yung circles or yung element nyo, same figure, same color, but it doesn't have to be exactly the same. Halimbawa, this is an example that shows rhythm. Yan. Yan, oh. The shape is repeated, palaki ng palaki, pero same shape siya, bilog pa rin, di ba? Tingnan nyo, ha. Siguro kung gagawin ko tong rhythm, gagawin ko siya overlapping. This can show rhythm, diba? Same element, square na may dot sa gitna. But look, diba? It's not exact. But because it's repeated, dahil nauulit yung shape or yung figure nyo, okay, may rhythm at nagkakaroon ng harmony. When you say harmony, the relationship of all the elements in your drawing are related. Okay? Hindi siya yung magulo tignan. Okay? Ngayon naman, dito tayo sa movement. You can show movement easily by using rhythm, okay, dun sa drawing nyo. Example, movement. How can I make the dots seem to move? Tingnan nyo to, ha. Kunwari, gusto ko pag ganito siya. Woohoo! Yan. Kita nyo ba yung pencil mark? Kita ba? Zoom in ko, ha. Ayan. Kita nyo? Tingnan nyo, ha. Pag sinabing movement, your elements that have the maybe similar color or similar shape will seem to follow a certain track. Diba? Leading the viewer's eye nga daw, sabi. Diba? Ngayon, when you look at it, it will seem that these circles are moving to that direction. Diba? Mukha na siyang bubbles na pa-spiral or paikot. Diba? Ayan, dotted lines. Dito lang nag-overlap. Pero ganyan siya, diba? Mukha siyang pa-ganon. So now, your eye thinks it's moving. Diba? Hindi naman siya pa-ganon. Hindi rin pa-ganon. Now, I just created a path for the viewer's eye. Gumagawa kayo ng daanan or paggalaw by drawing. Okay? So, ganun magawa ng movement. So, kunwari dito, paano ko papakita ang movement? Dito. Okay, ganito. Kunwari, ganito gagawin ko. Yan. Gusto ko pataas, baba siya. Pwedeng iba-ibang size. It's up to you. Up. Tapos down. Now, parang gumawa ako ng stairs or ng hagdan. Now, it's like it's moving up and then down. See? Ngayon, how do we practice this in art? Paano naman natin ito i-apply sa art? Rhythm ulit ha. Rhythm. Sa landscape painting, kunwari, may puno. Pwede ko siyang ulitin. Look, I can repeat it to show rhythm. As long as it's repeating, may nauulit, doesn't have to be the same shape, same size, but it can be the same color, same figure, okay? Basta similar, so your mind thinks that it's repeating. Yan. This is not a pattern kasi hindi siya balance, hindi naman siya eksaktong nauulit, di ba? Ang pattern kasi, kagaya nito, eksaktong nauulit. Okay, parang stamping. But this one, di ba, it gets smaller. Diba? Ayan. So, sa movement naman, kunwari yan. Pwedeng pa ganyan. Di ba? So, parang yung movement and rhythm can be related. Okay? So, yan. Kagaya nito, ito naman, it's like it's winding or uphill, downhill. Yan. So, it shows a windy road. Pwedeng ganyan. Diba? So, it seems like, when your eye seems like it's tracking the trees, parang pa ganyan, diba? Sige, get your watercolor paper, pencil. And then, we're gonna do a portrait orientation, patayo, kasi nga. Okay, and then, we're gonna use your markers too, or oil pastel. You can use colored pencil, you can use crayons, okay? So, draw your object here. Where are the objects that you're gonna draw coming from? Saan manggagaling yung objects na ito-drawing nyo? So, put them here. So, kunwari, box. Box or bag or volcano. Ganito ako mag-drawing ng box. Nine. And then, 1, 2, 3. Diba? And then, look. Ayan, like that. So, ito yung paggawa ko ng box. Pwede rin box. Okay? Actually, pwede itong gift box. Palitan ko na ng gift box. Kuha ko na ng ribbon. This can be a shark din, or we will try to draw the leading lines or the movement lines. Yung pang movement lines natin, ito. Okay, remember that? Remember this? Asan na yung imaginary lines natin? Diba may nag-drawing muna ako ng line? Yan, no? Like that. Diba? The line. So, we'll try to draw the lines. So, from here, diba? Let's try to draw the end point here. Okay. Iwan yung 3 dots. 3 dots lang. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now, starting here, okay, try natin tong game na to, or experiment. So, I want you to just look at 1 dot. Look at here. But put your pencil here. Now, just by looking this dot, looking at this dot, okay, try to connect your pencil line from here to here. Okay? Dito lang ako nakatingin sa dot, pero tingnan nyo to pwede kayo mag-wavy line, papunta dun sa dot. Okay, pwede nyo lagpas. Yan, sample lang. Okay, isa pa, dito lang din ako nakatingin Paano pupunta dito ng... Parang nagsaslide. Parang magic, look. Yan. Okay, then maybe you can add 2 more. Or 3. Yan. Yan, now, looks like something is coming out from the box. Diba? Mukha na siyang may lalabas. Ngayon, you can draw your objects or your elements. Okay, alternate natin. 1, 2, 3. Sige. Dito tayo magdo-drawing Kunwari, ice cream. So, ng ice cream. Drawing ako ng madaming ice cream dito. Pero dapat mag-fit siya dito sa lines nyo, Susundan nyo po yung lines. Yung cherry. You just have to repeat it. Similar lang yung siya para so that your mind will think that they are related. Susundan niya yun. Creates. Hindi natin ng kutsara ng konti. Yan. And then I will leave this gap here. Huwag niyo lagyan dito. Lalagyan lang natin. And then another line here. Ano pa bang gusto ko? Gusto ko ng... sige, kung simple na lang. Stars na lang. I want a bright day. Yan. You can think of other things, ha? Pwedeng toys. Okay, just make sure to repeat them. Then here, what else? What should I put? Books. Ano pa ba yung gusto ko? Coffee. Yan. Palaki ng palaki. So, this is an example of showing rhythm, ha? Coffee yan. Tapos, you'll try to color this. Okay, on your own time naman eh. Pwede rin, nasa mug. Ano wala sa bata? Okay. Yan, bigyan natin ng usok. Pwede may mga coffee, binlagyan nyo ng mga small effects. Basta hindi kayo lalagpas dito, don't go beyond the line. Then we'll leave this plain para may space kayo. Yan. Yan. And I will just trace this. Yan, kagaya na to, di ba? Trace this with the pastel. I'm gonna paint it. For the stars, I'm gonna use yellow. If you don't have paint, it's okay. You can just use crayons. Kaya don't rush, Take your time. Yan. Tapos, for the box, I'll make it a blue na lang. Yan. Tapos, yung kanyang decor. Yan. Also, the inside, lagyan ko lang din to. Okay, but I can use white oil pastel. Look here, You remember the white oil pastel, the magic invisible lines, di ba? If you use white lines, white oil pastel like this, it will resist. Pero dapat tingnan nyo, you have to press hard so it will cover the paper. Okay, pag natakpan nyo na yung paper, once the oil pastel or crayon covers the paper, it will resist the paint. Hindi siya tatablan ng paint. Kaya nakikita nyo na yung lines. So, to create more movement, okay, you can draw more leading lines. Yan, so dahil yan. Mga lines na ganyan. Okay, meron ako white oil pastel dito. Look ko, nagawin ko lang siya. You can see it, but I'm drawing it. Parang magic. Tapos, pwede nyo pang dagdagan na. Dito, random na lang. Hindi ko na masyado i-emphasize para hindi maagawan yung attention nyo. I'll just make dots na lang. Yan. But all are following an imaginary line. Para kung may sinusundan na imaginary line. Hindi pa ganito, not horizontal, not vertical or diagonal. I'm following the direction of the other lines to show movement para consistent, diba? Para maganda tignan. Yan. And when all of this look nice, it will create harmony. Ganun po. Create ng artwork yan. Paganituhin ko na lang. Okay, now we can paint it. Okay, or if you don't have paint, you can use any material. If you want, you can do black and white. Pwede din. Pwede rin charcoal or kahit ano. Well, use whatever material you have at home. Okay, try ko i-paint, ha. Let's start with the lightest color. And then remember, when you paint, you have to use 2 water containers. The first one is the dirty wash. Yung dito nyo muna babanlawan, yung medyo madumi. Tapos nililinisan nyo ulit the second time. So your brush is really clean. Okay? Yeah. Para mag-stand out, see, I'm painting the background of my element with a different color. Then look, ha. Look here. Okay? Because this is yellow, I will make it violet dito. Para mag-stand out. Diba? Remember the emphasis? Kasi gusto ko mag-stand out itong stars. Kaya nilalagyan ko ng darker color. Okay, not same as this one. Okay, this one also yung coffee cups natin. Ay. Ayan, gawin ko lang beige ng konti. Tapos brown, maybe gawin ko blue na lang to. Okay. Tapos, yan. Yan. You don't need to rush, ha? Take your time. Gawin ko na lang to kasi pang Christmas na kunwari. Tapos, yung background, any color will do. Tusin ko na kasi tapos na rin tayo. Diba? And then, don't forget to paint all the edges. Huwag po kalimutang pintahan lahat ng corners. Yan. And even coloring the background, look. Ina-follow ko din yung pattern and retail. Para, di ba? Para mukha talaga siyang nag-spin from the center. Yan. Okay. Here. Dito medyo kulang. So, gawin ko ng red con dito. Para may contrast lang. Yan. Di ba? Okay. Here. Di ba? So, yan. So, kamusta naman yung mga work ninyo? Diba? Kaya, take your time, because the more details, the better. Ayan. So, please don't forget to clean up your area. Huwag kalimutan magligpit. So, thank you so much for joining us today. Bye!
Know your art, be art smart!